students. Today we are going to discuss about some of interior angles and then some of exterior angles of any polygon. We know polygon like triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, like this. So when we talk about the interior angles, the see in triangle is A, angle B and angle C. Inside part is there. Similarly in quadrilateral, inside part angle P, Q, R, S. And then pentagon also inside part is angle A, angle B, C, D and E. So how to find sum of interior angles? It is very easy to learn. Like you see how many sides are there in any polygon. It is 3 sides in a triangle. So what we do? Write 3 and subtract 2. So subtract 2 and multiply by 180 degree. So see what is the answer? 3 minus 2 is 1 into 180 degree and it is 180 degree. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Similarly, when we talk about quadrilateral, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we do? Write 4 and subtract 2 and multiply 180 degree and it will come 4 minus 2 is 2 and into 180 degree. So 180 degree into 2 it is 360 degree. Again similarly when we talk about pentagon, same things are there. How many sides are there in pentagon? There are 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 and into 180 degree. So that means 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180 degree and it is 540 degree. So similarly we can find the hexagon, heptagon, octagon and then any polygon if we have, we can find the sum of angles of a polygon. Now very interesting when we talk about sum of exterior angles. Is it very easy to learn when any like exterior angles of any polygon. When you talk about triangle first, suppose triangles. So when we talk the exterior means outside, like this angle. When we take this one, this angle, and another is this angle. So suppose A, B and C. So when we talk about the exterior means outside angle, this angle and this angle and this angle is total. It comes as a very interesting. It is called 2 right angle. We know the right angle is 1 right angle means 90 degree, and when you multiply by 2, it comes 360 degree. Like angle A, angle B and angle C. So and exterior angles of angle A, angle B and angle C is always 360 degree. We can prove geometrically also sum of exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. Not only triangle, it's for any polygon. Very interesting. Quadrilateral, pentagon and hexagon, if any polygon is there, when we talk about the exterior angles, always it comes what? 360 degree. So like if you think about that, just geometrically, if you want to prove, it is a very easy to prove. Like I may give the example of like triangle. So see and like this. Suppose we take this one is X and this one is Y and this one is Z. Okay, so this is the out, means we can say this is Z, this is Y and this is X or angle A, B and C. If you can put this one is 1, this one is 2 and this one is 3. See, interesting is what we know, we have learned previously what about the exterior angle. Suppose this angle is Z and this is the sum of angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to Z. We know how? It is a very also interesting. See the one example of this one. A, B and C. Suppose we have angle 1, this angle 2 and angle 3. So when we talk about this is, what is this? So suppose we have to put this angle is 4. Okay, we know angle 1 or angle 2 or angle 3 is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Previously we learned the interior sum of interior is 180 degree. So if you put 180 degree is there. Another we know angle 3 plus angle 4. It is a linear pair. We know linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 4. It is linear pair. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is also 180 degree. Now very interesting. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 is 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. So right hand side part is equal. So left hand side will be also equal. Means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So angle 3 plus angle 4, you see angle 3 cancel. So what is this? Angle 1 plus angle 2 means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So means like sum of interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Also we may say that an exterior angle is the sum of opposite two interior angles. Practically also we can prove, like suppose if we cut this part and this part, angle 1, angle 2, and if we will paste here, the same angle will be formed. Whatever measure of this or this, it comes this one. So this is also a property of a triangle. An exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So based on that, see also we may prove there just what I told, the angle x. So angle x is equal to what? What is the interior? Angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. Similarly, when we take y, which one is opposite interior angles? Angle 1, angle 3. So angle 1 and angle 3. When you take angle z, so angle z means z is here. What? Opposite of z interior is angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2. So when we add this one, x, y and z. So means angle x, angle y, angle z is what? Angle x plus angle y plus angle z. If we can put angle sign also. So when we add, we see angle 2 twice, angle 3 twice. Angle 1 plus angle 1 is also twice. Means 2 into angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. And we know previously we learned what? The sum of angles of a triangle means interior angles is 180 degree. So 2 into 180 degree, and that means how much? 360 degree. So it is proved sum of exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. Similarly, any polygon if we take like quadrilateral and pentagon, it so sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 180 degree. Exterior, I told exterior angles when we talk about the exterior angles. So like this one. So sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Now we talk about application of triangles basically. So we can solve any numerical sum based on this. So like application is like suppose triangle is there, or angle A, angle B, and so value is 40 degrees given, and suppose this is 70 degrees given, and whenever we have to find angle C, what we do, 40 degree plus 70 degree and plus angle C we have to find. In total we know 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 40 minus 70 means 110 degree. That means 180 degree minus 110 degree, it is called 70 degree. Similarly, if you have to find exterior, suppose this is the exterior angle and this both are given. So we know, we have learned just now, an exterior angle is sum of opposite to interior angle. So whenever we have to find this one, this is 40 degree plus 70 degree. So 40 degree plus 70 degree, it is 110 degree. So we can find exterior angles also. Sometimes exterior angles are given. Suppose this is given 120 degree, and then it is given 50 degree, and then we have to find this angle. But we know this is equal to this plus this. So when we talk or think about x, so x plus 50 degree, it is 120 degree. That means x is equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree. So value is 70 degrees. Means measure of this angle is 70 degree.